Yo, what's up guys? As you may have seen, Anime Crusaders has dropped their new Chainsaw Man update, so we'll be playing it and we'll be trying to get one of the newest secrets, Makima. So without further more, let's get into it. First, let's check if anyone new is on banner. Nice, the Angel Devil and Denji are both on banner, so let's summon for them. Looks like we got him early now just for Denji. Nice, it looks like we got Denji, and even power too. Looks like the new Gamma mode has a trait and traitless version. Before that though, let's finish the news story. This most likely won't be so hard, so I'll just speed it up until the end. Now that we completed that one, let's do the rest. Now that that's done, let's try the new Gamma mode. I also just realized they raised the max level cap for units, so let's feed my units real quick. Now let's finally try this new Gamma mode. All of these choices seem pretty bad, but I think placement is the best one here, so let's pick it. Once again, this should be pretty easy, so I'll just speed this up until I have trouble or till the boss shows up. Yeah, this was pretty easy, so it should be smooth sailing getting Makima. Let's see how long it will take me to get Makima. Let's put a counter at the top of the screen to keep track. Looks like it only took me 6 runs. That was pretty lucky, and it even came with a trait too. Well, now that we have Makima, let's get some kills, so we can evolve her. Finally finished getting kills on her, and I just realized she came with an SSS range. Pretty lucky. Anyways, the hour just passed, so let's see if anyone new is on the banner. Nope, nobody. Oh well, maybe next time. Since we have some currency, let's buy some rerolls, shall we? Now let's see what we need to evolve Makima. It looks like you need some of the new currency to evolve her, and I just wasted mine on rerolls, so let me get some real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, I just farmed the game mode some more, and I just realized Makima has a cutscene. Other than that, we have everything we need to evolve her, so let's do it. I won't be rolling stats or traits because people have been saying she's bad, and I don't want to waste my Crusader pity. There we go, finally evolved. Now let's showcase her. We finally have some money, so let's start. She's 2,000 to place, and she's a 3 placement, so Crusader should be the best on her. On placement she's a small circle, but on her next move she's a medium line. Finally, it looks like her last upgrade is a big circle. Lastly, it looks like she's doing about 60k on max upgrade. Next, let's look at her passives. First, her first passive, it looks like she gains damage and loses cooldown for the more people in her range. Her next passive, she has a chance to store enemy souls on kills that give damage and range, and after she reaches 5, her next attack reach around to 100% of her damage, and after he rules reset. Since it's only 5%, let me just cut to when it happens. It looks like after her buff she reaches around to 100,000 damage without a trait, curse, or relic, which is pretty good considering only one was placed, so image all 3 or with Crusader. Now that the showcase is done, let's roll the credits. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and tell me if I should make a different video evolving the other units in this update. Anyways, peace.